Welcome! I'm thrilled you're here because today we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the future of money. Today we're diving into the world where science, technology, and money meet, digital currency. It's a space where innovation is changing how we think about value and transactions. Think about the money you use every day. Paper bills, coins jingling in your pocket, or maybe even a credit card swipe at the store. Now imagine money that exists only online, with no physical form at all, secured by advanced cryptography and digital codes. This is digital currency, or cryptocurrency, a revolutionary new way to exchange value, powered by computer science and mathematics. Unlike traditional money, it's not printed by governments or banks, but created and managed by a vast, decentralized network of computers all over the world. The technology behind it is called blockchain, a shared, unchangeable digital ledger that records every transaction for everyone to see. Every transaction is recorded in real time, making it transparent, traceable, and secure from tampering or fraud. One exciting project is the Pi network, which aims to make digital currency accessible to everyone, right from their phones, no matter where they live. You don't need expensive equipment or deep technical knowledge to participate, just a smartphone and a willingness to learn. Today, we'll explore a crucial step in Pi's journey: migration, moving your digital assets from a temporary home to a secure, permanent one, ensuring your coins are truly yours. Understanding migration is key to keeping your assets safe and making the most of this new technology. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the Pi network, and why is everyone talking about it lately? Imagine a club currency you earn by checking in daily. Pi works similarly, letting users mine coins with their smartphones. Instead of expensive computers or complex setups, all you need is your phone and a few seconds each day to participate. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Pi is designed to be energy efficient and easy for anyone to use. It doesn't drain your battery or require technical know-how, making it accessible to people everywhere, regardless of their background. Started by Stanford grads, its goal is to avoid early concentration of wealth and make digital currency widely accessible. The founders wanted to create a fairer system where anyone could join from the beginning and benefit equally. The coins you earn now are like a claim to future digital money, becoming real once the project fully launches. Think of it as collecting tickets for a concert before the doors open. Your patience could pay off. For years, Pi has been in a testing phase. Think of it as building and testing a new airplane before its first flight. The team wants to make sure everything works perfectly before taking off. During this phase, your Pi is protected and not yet spendable in the real world. It's safely stored, waiting for the official launch, so you don't have to worry about losing your coins. This period allows developers to fix bugs, improve security, and grow the community. It's a crucial time for building trust and making sure the network is ready for millions of users. By launching with a large user base, Pi aims for a strong global start when the mainnet opens. The bigger the community, the more valuable and useful the currency could become. This careful, step-by-step approach sets Pi apart, showing that building something truly global takes time, patience, and a lot of teamwork. Now, let's talk about migration, a key step in the Pi network journey that many people are curious about. Imagine you're at a fair, collecting tickets as you enjoy the rides. Later, you exchange those tickets for a permanent wristband at a brand new amusement park, giving you lasting access and new opportunities. In the Pi network, the coins you've mined so far are like those tickets. Right now, they're tracked on a central server, not yet fully yours in the blockchain world. Migration is the process of moving your Pi from this temporary database to the mainnet blockchain, where you gain true ownership and control over your coins. This isn't just a simple copy-paste, it's a secure, carefully managed process designed to protect your assets and ensure everything is done right. Before you can migrate, you must prove you're a real person through KYC, or Know Your Customer. This step is crucial for preventing fake accounts and keeping the network fair for everyone. Only users who have successfully completed verification can move their Pi to the mainnet, ensuring that only genuine participants benefit. After passing KYC, your Pi balance is prepared for transfer, and the system gets everything ready for the big move. The system then moves your coins to your personal Pi wallet on the blockchain, secured by a secret passphrase that only you know, giving you full control. Once migration is complete, your Pi is officially on the blockchain, ready to be used, traded, or saved in the digital economy of the future. Migration is your ticket to real ownership and a new world of possibilities with your Pi. Why migrate before the mainnet opens to everyone? It's about security, fairness, and stability. Think of it as finishing a city's infrastructure before letting people move in. The enclosed mainnet period lets the team verify real users through KYC, blocking bots and fake accounts. This ensures a fair distribution of Pi and protects the network's core values. It's also a chance to test the blockchain in real-world conditions, but within a safe environment. Developers can fix bugs and confirm stability before opening to the world. Migration in batches prevents system overload and errors. This careful process keeps everyone's Pi safe and the network strong. Migration is about building a secure foundation for Pi before connecting to the wider world. Picture a castle high walls, a strong gate, and a moat. The enclosed mainnet is this construction phase. KYC acts as the gatekeeper, ensuring only real people enter. Fake and automated accounts are filtered out, making the network trustworthy and the coin supply pure. Users learn to secure their wallets and practice transactions in a safe space, like learning to drive in an empty lot. The core team tests a firewall, keeping the network isolated and protected. Only approved connections are allowed, blocking external threats. This barrier is essential for security before global access. By the time the drawbridge lowers, the community and defenses are ready. That's how Pi prepares for a safe launch. What if Pi skipped migration and opened mainnet immediately? Disaster could follow. Without KYC, bots and fake accounts would flood the network, devaluing honest users' Pi. Imagine your rare seashell collection suddenly swamped by millions of fakes. Your hard work becomes worthless. Trust in Pi would collapse, and the economy would be ruined. Security risks would skyrocket, with hackers targeting an untested open blockchain. Users would be unprepared, losing assets to mistakes and scams. There'd be no safe space to learn or fix problems. Skipping migration is like launching a rocket without safety checks. Failure is almost certain. Careful migration is essential for success. Ready for migration? Here's your pre-flight checklist. First, download the official Pi browser app. It's your gateway to the Pi ecosystem. Use it to create your Pi wallet and complete your KYC application. The wallet comes with a unique passphrase. Write it down and store it safely. Lose it, and you lose your Pi. Confirm your wallet by verifying your passphrase. Your wallet address is like your bank account number. Double-check it's correct and link to your Pi account. Be patient for your KYC invitation. It's rolling out to millions. When invited, have your government-issued ID ready and follow the instructions carefully. Completing these steps ensures you're ready for a smooth migration. Think of it as preparing for a space mission. Every detail matters. Stay alert, stay secure, and you'll be set for mainnet. Preparation is your best protection. Once you've passed KYC, you're ready for migration. Follow the mainnet checklist in the Pi app to track your progress. After KYC, sign the acknowledgement to receive tokens, confirming your wallet address and agreeing to the terms. Your migration request enters a queue. The system processes transfers in batches. Only your mined Pi, not bonuses, moves until your referrals also pass KYC. After transfer, your Pi is pending for about 14 days, a security window for final checks. Once cleared, you can use your Pi in the enclosed ecosystem. Congratulations, you've migrated to mainnet. You're now a true digital pioneer. The Pi network's journey is a scientific experiment, careful, precise, and focused on safety. In science, we don't rush. We test, control, and analyze before declaring success. The same goes for building a new financial system. Security is essential. Pi's multi-step migration puts security first, ensuring only real people join and users learn to protect their assets. You are responsible for your wallet's safety. Guard your passphrase like treasure. This methodical approach may seem slow, but it builds something strong and lasting. Pi aims to be a redwood, not a weed, growing deep roots for a durable future. Always follow instructions, prioritize security, and understand each step. The future of money is being built now, and careful steps ensure it's fair and accessible for all. We're all part of this scientific adventure. Thanks for exploring with me.